Okay, hello guys, welcome back to the stream. Today, wait, let me just plug in the mic. The mic's not plugged in again. Okay, so today I just had my physics P4 exam, and I have to say it's actually not that bad. I mean, like, first getting into the paper, like first time seeing the paper, the format's really different compared to like all the past papers I've done. But then once you like read the questions properly, it's technically about the same. The questions are about the same, but yeah, it's just a really different format. Although, yeah, the questions. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's about the same. Okay, so today, the paper, I think it was quite easy to be honest. Apart from like finding the momentum of. We have to say that we have to find the de Broglie wavelength, so we have momentum getting into the h over lambda. But I couldn't find that, that was the only thing that I really struggled in. And one careless mistake I made was for the labeling the graph. I did get the power is I squared not r and once you like read the questions properly, and then we had to like label the whole graph. But I only labeled the 1 and 4, which is that was a careless mistake. The questions are about the same. So yeah, let's just get into the maths now. So I'm taking maths. Yeah, it's for just AS because I got the format 84, which is technically I think I can do better than that. So I decided to retake maths. But I'm also having computer science on that same day. So I'll have to study for computer science as well. I think I have to study for computer science even more, but I'm just gonna do a few maths papers for now. And yeah, just do some maths. So the paper, I think it was quite easy. So yeah, the MacBook guy, he came back today to take back his MacBook. It's really a shame. If it wasn't activation lock, you have to say that I would have found the de Broglie way. That would have been such a good deal. But the thing is, I actually had like a few MacBooks. So it's like not a few MacBooks. One iPhone that was actually activation locked, and I actually got it to. I actually managed to I couldn't find that. That was the only thing that I didn't steal it, please. And I will never steal an iPhone, especially if it's an iPhone 8. But one careless mistake I made was just I bought an iPhone 8, which is activation locked. I did get $70, and I got it. To the power is not have the activation lock anymore. I squared not r, and once you like, it wasn't by my own efforts, of course. I'm not that good. And then we had to like label the whole graph, but I only labeled the online website. But I forgot already what that website was. That was a careless mistake. The questions are about the same. Function f is defined by fx. So determine whether f is an increasing function, a decreasing function, or neither. So to find whether it's increasing or decreasing, we actually have to let's differentiate it into the maths now. So I'm taking this one. You would make it come up. Yeah, it's just as because I got 3x plus 2 negative 1. But you can't. So I decided to differentiate maths. Okay, that's fine. Plus. But I'm also having computer science on that same day. So I'll have to study for computer science as well. I think I have to study for it, you get more. dy dx is equal. I'm just gonna do a few maths papers for now. 1 3x plus 2 3. And then you will have a negative 2 on top. So just do some maths. Negative 2 because you're minusing it by 1, and then plus 2x differentiation. Okay, that would be your dy dx. So the paper from there you use the value of the MacBook guy, -1. So x is less than -1. So let's try negative to take back this MacBook. It's really a shame if it wasn't activation lock. So we have -1, 3, -2. You have to say that I would have -2 times 3. That would have been such a good 2, -2 deal. But the thing is, I've actually had like just a few MacBooks. So it's like no, sorry, not a few MacBooks. One iPhone that was actually activation locked, and I actually got it to. We get actually managed I couldn't find that. That was the only thing that I -4.18. I didn't steal it, please. And I will never steal an iPhone, especially if it's an iPhone. We use, we just make it a value lower, -3. That x equals to -3.
One plus mistake. It's just I bought an iPhone 3, which is activation.
I did get of -2, 3. $70, so it's times 3, and I got it to
The power is
not plus 2 negative. I have the activation lock and
I swear
but
not hard and
but
like
it wasn't by my own efforts, of course. I'm not that. I'm good.
And then we had to like label the whole graph, but I only labeled one line.
6.06.
So
like therefore
I forgot already what that website was.
decreasing
Just
function. 3 marks.
yeah, that was the
on
mistake. The
this
questions
question.
are about the same.
Function f is the graph of y is equals to fx is transformed to the graph of
Find
y
the
equals
fx.
to 1 plus
Determine whether
half.
f is an increasing function.
Describe fully the two single transformations which have been combined to give the
function or
resulting transformation. So you have the 1 plus outside, so that just means that y is shifted. Sorry, we don't say
Find
y
whether
is
it's
shifted. We
increasing
say graph. We actually have
is
to shift it 1 unit.
Let's
differentiate
get
it
into
to
the match.
So,
I'm taking
this
that.
one. You. Yeah, it's only 2 though. So why is it 4 marks? Oh yeah, sometimes
it's
they,
just
the 1 mark is you identifying that it's shifted by 1 unit, and another mark is usually the identifying that it's upwards.
X equals
2 -1, and then other one will be graph. But
I think I
you
use
can't
better
you
than
can't
that, so I
like
decided to
stretch
take
that
that.
space by
Okay, that's fine. Plus
factors
but
of
also having computer
2
science, let's say
in x axis, since it's a half inside, so you are multiplying the x value by 2. Okay, that's it. That's 4 marks already. It sounds like you didn't write a lot, but it doesn't really require a lot of writing.
the slides as well. I think
Yeah,
But
this
differentiating
one,
is
the
you get
volume obtained when it is rotated 360 degrees about the y-axis. So for this one, you actually have the line y is equals to 5,
1
and y is equals to x squared plus 1.
3.
Y is equals to x squared plus 1, so
And then you will have a negative.
rotated about the y-axis. So let's take the values over here. So we will have, let's say we have 5, everything
2,
here.
because you're minusing it
So
by 1.
it's 5
and then plus
5 height, and we actually don't know what the x value is.
X.
So think of it as a rectangle. So let's find the point of intersection first. So
Okay. That would be
the
a dy.
intersection
So
will be y is
paper
equals to
from there,
y
you
is
use the
equals
value
to
of
x squared plus 1. x1.
So x is less than negative
And
1.
then
So
it'll be 4 is equals to x squared, therefore x is equals to root
let's
of 2,
try
so it'll be
negative
positive 2. It can be negative 2, but
it's really
since it's in the positive, then it'll be positive 2. So your point of intersection will be 2 and 5. So we have a rectangle here. So let's say we take this rectangle and when we take the rectangle and we rotate it 360 degrees, you are actually forming a cylinder in such a way. So you think about it. You can take like a piece of paper. Let's take a piece of paper.
But the thing is,
When we take a piece of paper and you like rotate it one round, you're making a circle. So the radius would be the length, and then the height would be the height of your rectangle. So let's hold it at a fixed point. Let's say this is the y-axis, and you rotate it one circle around the y-axis, you will be making a cylinder. So the volume of revolution of y equals to x is actually just a cylinder. So how you would do this is basically you take the volume of revolution of y is equals to 5, which is a cylinder.
I didn't steal this.
2 pi r square h, and then
especially if it's
it's pi r square height. We just make it. That's the volume. Pi r square base area times height. So pi r square height
-3
is the cylinder minus volume of revolution of y is equals to x squared plus 1. So you have pi integration of y square. So you actually want to make y the subject. So the answer which is make y the subject. Sorry, x the subject. It will be y minus 1 square root is equals to x. So you're squaring your x. So it'll just be y minus 1 since you're squaring your x. So it's pi integration y minus 1 dx, and your values would be 5 and 1. So I'm gonna write it out for you. So it's gonna be like this whole cylinder minus the revolution of 5 and 1.
It wasn't by my own efforts, of course.
No, but that would be the x-axis. Oh, my bad.
Oh no.
Oh wait, is it? Oh yeah. Wait. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah. So it's nothing wrong. Pi r squared height. You will have this, and then you are rotating it about the y-axis. So we take the y values. So it's 5 and 1.
So therefore, I forgot already what the x is.
Oh wait. Now I'm a bit confused.
Which is
Function. Wouldn't make sense if it's everything below here that's rotated. 3 marks. Oh wait, it does make sense. Okay, let's just continue on. It's pi r squared height, so your r would be the length from here to here, which is, from what we've calculated, the graph of y is equals to fx is transformed to the graph of y equals to so you get like the cylinder minus the area that's under here rotated, so you would get this one. So it's pi r, which is 2 square, times 5, which is your height of the cylinder, and then you would have oh my gosh. No, that doesn't make sense anymore. So I guess it's like when you rotate anything like about the y-axis, it's always the area under the graph, like this place, which will be rotated. So you wouldn't have to minus by pi r squared h. You'll just be doing pi root of 5 1 and y minus 1. Just what I said just now. You don't have to find this one. You don't have to find the point of intersection, because you already have y equals to 5, that line, so it shows that it has to be underneath the y equals to 5, so everything that's over here. But if you rotate in the x-axis, it'll be anything that's under the graph in, let's say, 0 and 2. So it'll be anything under here that's rotated. But since this one is the one that's nearest to the y-axis, so it'll be this one that's rotated, making the volume of revolution. So therefore, you will just get pi bracket y squared minus y 5 1. Sorry, y squared over 2 minus y. Yeah, this seems too easy, to be honest. I don't think I'm doing it. Okay, don't doubt yourself, I guess. 5 squared over 2 minus 5 minus 1 squared over 2 minus 1. You get 8 pi. Therefore, your volume of revolution will be 8 pi. I'm still a bit rusty to the maths AS. I haven't done it for like a few months already. A curve has equation y is equals to x squared minus 2x minus 3. A point is moving along the curve in such a way that at p the y coordinate is increasing at 4 units per second. Okay, y is equals to x squared minus 2x minus 3 at a point in moving along the curve in such a way that at p the y coordinate is increasing at 4 units per second. Y coordinate dy over dt is equals to 4, and x coordinate is increasing at dx over dt equals to 6 units per second. Find the x coordinate of p. So we just find what dy dx is first. Dy over dx is equals to 2x minus 2. And from there, you make the equation dy over dx is equals to dy over dt times dt over dx. Okay, and then from here 2x minus 2 is equals to 4 times 1 over 6. Times 1 over 6. So from that you will get 4 times 1 over 6, 2 over 3. 2x minus 2 is equals to 2 over 3 plus 2, you have 8 over 3, divide by 2, you get 4 over 3. So either this is like p is equals to x equals to 4 over 3. Either this is just super easy, or I'm doing like major mistakes and skipping tons of steps, which is like an embarrassment. Me saying like, oh, it's so easy, and later I find out that I've done everything wrong. Okay, next one. Solve the equation tan theta plus 3 sine theta. Okay, the 5 tan theta plus 3 sine theta plus 2 over tan theta minus 3 sine theta plus 1 equals to 2. So I know the first thing you are thinking of doing is moving it straight over here. Maybe we don't do that first. maybe we think first. Think of it like how we would do it. Okay, let's move it to the other side. Tan theta plus 3 sine theta plus 2 is equals to 2 tan theta minus 6 sine theta plus 2. And from here, we move the rest of the stuff over. So 2 tan theta minus tan theta, you would get tan theta. Negative 6 sine theta minus 3 sine theta. Negative 9 theta. Negative 9 sine theta. And you will have plus 2 minus 2, so you get 0. So you have tan theta minus 9 sine theta. And from here, we would just do what would we do? Let's make it into factors first. Sine theta over cos theta minus 9 sine theta is equals to 0. And from here we take out the sine theta, 1 over cos theta minus 9 sine theta equals to 0. That's correct, right? Okay, that should be correct. Now, what we do is we split it, so it can either be 1 over cos theta minus 9 is 0, or sine theta is equals to 0. So we write those two down. 1 over cos theta minus 9 is equals to 0, or sine theta is equals to 0. From here, move the 9 over, you would get cos theta, cos theta is equals to 1 over 9. Yeah, moving the 9 over and reciprocating it, you will get cos theta is equals to 1 over 9. Or it's already sine theta is equals to 0, so just find the alpha from this. What do you get for shift? You need to put it in degree first. Shift sine 0. You get 0. Alpha is 0. So from this one, since sine is positive, ASTC, you will get 0 and 180, so that's already rejected because 180 is already over the limit. So what is the basic angle for shift? So for cos theta equals to 1 over 9, so you will have shift cos 1 over 9. You will get 83.6 degrees. From this one, since it's positive as well, ASTC, A and C. So you would have theta is equals to 83.6, or 360 minus 83.6, you get 276. So you will reject 276, so theta will just be 83.6. Number 6, find the possible values of the constant A. Coefficient of 1 over x in the expansion of, okay, is 720. So for this one, you would use NCR. So let's say 5C. I think we can just straight away try and guess which one gives us 1 over x. So normally this one, the one over here, the one over here is the one that's increasing. You have 0, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and like that. So firstly, if we let it be 5C4, then we would have x4, and this one will be x8. x4 and 8 would then give you 1 over x. So let's make it 3. 3 and 6 also wouldn't give you 1 over x. And let's make it 2. 2 and 4. That also wouldn't give you 1 over x. Oh my gosh. I'm such an idiot. I'm saying it all wrong. Let's try and make it up. 2. So you have 2 and 3. 2, 6, no, that doesn't make it. Now we'll move on to 3. 3, 2, 3, 4. 3 and 4. So that gives us 1 over x. So it will be 5c3. 5c3, 2x, 3, a over x squared, 2. And then from this we will get 5c3 times 8. We get 80x cubed times a squared over x4 . So the x4 will cancel out and you'll cancel out the x3, so you have 80 a squared is equals to 720. Therefore a is equals to 720 divided by 80 and root of your answer 3. A is equals to 3. Moving on, B. Hence find the coefficient of 1 over x7 in the expansion. So now we just do it like normal. So coefficient of 1 over x7. 1 over x7, let's see if we make it 1 and 4. So we'll have 8 and x. Okay, that's it. 5c1 bracket 2x1 a over x squared 4. So we will have 5c1 10x times a4 over x8. The 8 will become 7 and we will cancel out the x, giving you the x7. And from here we know that a is equals to 3, so 10 times 3 to the power of 4 x1 over x7. Therefore you get 10 times 3 to the power of 4, which is 810 over x7. Coefficient will be 810. Okay, moving on. Number 7. How many questions are in this paper? Like 12, right? Same as physics, you would have 12 questions, or 11, or 12. Okay. 2 hours to finish the paper. Let me check my messages. Okay. Find the area of the shaded region. Easy. We find the area of this and we find the area of this. And we minus them and we get the area of the shaded region. This is actually really easy. I don't know how it's 6 marks. So you will have 6 cm and your area of we have to find the arc length of AB first, which would be S is equals to R theta, giving us AB is equals to R6 times 0.8. That is, I'm so tempted to like convert this 6 to meters, But in maths you don't do that, because it's like I've been doing so much physics. Oh my gosh. It's almost becoming like a force of habit. 4.8. You get 4.8 cm. And so from there you can really calculate the area of AB, but we'll just calculate all the values that we need first. So for this one, you actually just... Oh wait, you have to read this first. The diagram shows the sector AOB, which is part of a circle, center 0 and radius 6, and with angle AOB, which is 0.8 radians. The point C on OB is such that AC is perpendicular to OB. The arc CD is part of a circle with center 0, where D lies on OA. Okay. Okay, I take it back. This is not that easy. Okay, let me think first. How would I do this? Okay. So this whole thing is 6 cm. We know that this is 0.8. Oh yeah, it's a triangle. We can use the fact that this is a triangle to 90 degrees here as well to just find, yeah. Oh wait, no, we can't do that. Oh wait, we can, yeah. So the hypotenuse is 6 cm due to it being part of the radius, so we'll have 0.8 and 6 cm. So we can use that to find OC. So it'll be adjacent hypotenuse, which is cosine. Adjacent hypotenuse, so cosine 0.8 is equals to OC adjacent over hypotenuse. Move it over. You get 6 cosine 0.8 is equals to OC. Cosine 0.8. Make sure to change it back to radian. You get 4.18. So the radian is 4.18. 4.18 here, you can already calculate the area of this one. And to calculate the area of this, we will need the area of the triangle. Sorry. The whole area of the sector minus the area of the triangle. So area ACV is equals to half RS, R being 6 times 4.8. It's either R squared theta or RS. RS, so we get half times 6 times 4.8. You get what, 14.4. But actually, do we get the same answer if if you use it's R squared times 0.8. Yeah, we get the same answer. And then 14.4 is your ACB minus the area of the triangle, which is, I want to use half times base times height, but we don't have the height. So maybe we'll just find the height. Let's find the height. Over opposite, sine opposite over hypotenuse. So AC is equals to 6 sine 0.8, giving us 6 sine 0.8, 4.3. So we can do half times base, which is 4.18, Oh, sorry, it's not 4.1. Wait, it is 4.18. 4.18 times height 4.3, which gives us half times 4.18 times 4.3. 8.987. So area ACB will be equals to 14.4 minus 8.987, giving us 5.413 cm squared. So we have this already. Now we would just have to find this. Area DOC will be equals to half r squared theta, which is equals to half 4.18 squared times 0.8, giving us half 4.18 squared times 0.8, 6.99. Therefore, shaded will be equals to 14.4 minus 5.413 plus 6.99. So the whole area minus this plus this will give you the shaded region, which is 14.4 minus 5.413 plus 6.99, giving you 1.997. It's rounded off to 2.0 cm squared. Yeah, I feel like that's wrong, but we'll check it later. 8A. Oh, let's take a be real though. Okay, 8A for first year, express her bonus as a percentage of her basic salary. Woman's basic salary for first year of particular company is 30,000, and at the end of the year she also gets a bonus of 600. So 600 over 30,000 times 100 gives us 2%. Okay, express the bonus shall be paid at the end of her 24th year as a percentage of the basic salary paid during that year. At the end of each complete year, the woman's salary will increase by 3%. Express the bonus she'll be paid at the end. Still need. Express the bonus she'll be paid at the end of the 24th year as a percentage of basis. So it'll be 3% each year. So you'll have like 3% of this year, and then next year you have 3% of the year before. So from that, we can actually get like, you can do it one by one actually, but it's 24 years, so that's a bit too long. So okay, let's just calculate the bonus first. Okay, bonus equals to 600 plus 24 times 100, which is equals to 600 plus 24, 100. You get 3,000 in bonus, $3,000. And then let's say her basic salary, when you increase it, it will be how do we calculate this? Like, let's make it into algebraic terms. 3% of 30,000 would be about 100, I think. 0.03 times 3,000, sorry, 30,000, 900, sorry, 3%, 900, and when you add 900 to 30,000, we will multiply it by 3% again, which will give us the bonus for the next year. I think this is like geometric progression, but wait, no. How does it go again? The one that's going like, I remember we have like a formula for this, but I totally forgot. Increased by 3%. Something with the R on it. PTR over 100, but that's all levels. Totally forgot this one. Plus 0.03 20 to about 24. Okay, let's look at MF19. I actually don't know how to do this. Let's try MF19. Oh, I didn't turn on my keyboard. 19. Let's see if we can find it. No, it isn't here. So we're gonna pass this one first. Maybe I will look at the mark scheme later. That's 5 marks gone, so that's very dangerous. Maybe we got the bonus though, so maybe that's 4 marks gone, not 5. And I have to go and ask something first. Just give me a second. Oh my gosh, what's wrong? Express. Oh, it's just completing the square. It's really easy. Oh, that's not. Okay, let me go ask something first. Okay, moving on. 9a. Complete the square. Oh. So when we first complete the square, we have to move out the 2. So it's 2 bracket x squared plus 6x plus 11. And then from here, we start completing the square. 2 bracket x plus half of 6 will be 3 square minus 3 square bracket plus 11. So from here you get 2 times 9 18 x plus 3 square minus 18 plus 11, and you have a 2 outside there, so it's 2 bracket x plus 3 bracket squared minus 18 plus 11. So from this one you will get 2 bracket x plus 3 squared minus 7. So your A would be a 3 and your B would be negative 7. Moving on, B. Oh, I'm gonna attack my cat. Okay, next one. The function f is defined by yada yada yada. Find an expression for inverse of x. So we will have y is equals to 2 bracket x plus 3 bracket squared minus 7. So let's make it inverse. Y plus 7 over 2 is equals to x plus 3 squared. Square root the whole thing. Square root of y plus 7 over 2 minus 3 is equals to x. Don't forget to put your plus minus. Equals to x. Therefore, f inverse is equals to root of y plus 7 over 2 minus 3. Okay, and then state the domain. So the domain will actually be the range of your normal one, but since it's not provided, then you'll just have to find your, oh, it's already right here, so your domain would be less than or equals to -4. Domain, wait, no, that's the range. Yeah, since this is the domain of function f, whatever the function, then this will be the range of your f inverse x. So that means we'll find the range of the normal one. So let's say x is equals to -4, y is equals to 2, -4 plus 3 squared minus 7. 2 -4 plus 3 bracket squared minus 7. We get -5, and we make it down by 1 again. 2 -5 plus 3 squared minus 7 will give you 1. So it's increasing. So that means f, so that means the domain will be more than or equals to -5. Okay, moving on. C. For the case where k is equals to -1, solve the equation f gx is equals to 193. The function g is defined by gx equals to 2x minus 3, where x is less than or equals to k. Okay. So let's just find fg first. Fg would be what we found just now, or you can just use this, which I think would be a bit easier, and 2x minus 3. Oh, it won't be a bit easier. So you just take 2 bracket x plus 3 squared minus 7. Since it's fg, you will put the g into the f, so you would have 2 bracket 2x minus 3 plus 3 squared minus 7 is equals to 193. So from here we try and find x. So moving over, you would have 193 plus 7, it will just get 200, and divide by 2, you will have 100. So 2x minus, sorry, it's not 2x minus 3 plus 3, minus 3 and plus 3 cancel out, so 2x squared is equals to 100. 4x squared is equals to 100. X will be equals to root of 100 divided by 4, which is 25. So root of 25, you will get x is equals to plus minus 5. So from here, then that will mean that as x is plus minus 5, since you put them together, your f, you know that the domain of f is less than or equals to -4. Therefore, since it has to be less than or equals to -4 and k is -1, so then your x will have to be -5, not +5, because if it's 5 then it'll be over the limit. Okay, D. State the largest value of k possible for the composition fg to be defined. So in order for fg to be defined, your value k must not exceed. Okay, so let's see. So since you have 2x, it's 2x, so x cannot be equals to 0, because then that would give you a absurd, it won't give you a good result. How do you go like this? Okay, yeah, so you have 2 bracket x minus 3, so your maximum value of x will have to be equals to -3, because if you have a -3 you will get 0, and it's 2 minus 7. Yeah, it's it's impossible, you can't, yeah. I don't know how to explain it, so that probably means I'm wrong, but that's what I would put in the exam. You actually, my reasoning for that is just you have to look at the f. You have 2 bracket x plus 3 squared minus 7, so it's actually impossible for you to have a 0 inside. I mean, you can't have a 0, because if you have a 0 then it's impossible to have fg, because then f wouldn't have an x value. Yeah. Oh wait, no, it's 2x minus 3, so the value of k would have to be, the maximum value of k would be 2 over 3, I guess. No, sorry, 3 over 2. Yeah, 3 over 2. Okay, moving on. 10a. I like differentiation. It's actually quite easy. It's really easy. The gradient of a curve at point xy is given by dy dx. So the curve has a stationary point a14, where a is a positive constant. So from here we already have the differentiation. So 2 bracket x plus 3 to the power of half is equals to 0. From here we'll find the a value. Move the 2 over, you get a 0. Oh, you have a minus x. I did not see that. So moving the x over, you have x over 2 squared. So x squared over 4 is equals to x plus 3. So from here we move the 4 over, 4x plus 12 and equals to x squared. And we move everything over, x squared minus 4x minus 12 is equals to 0. And from here we will find, using the making into its factors. So for this one we'll have 6 and 2. In order for it to be negative, we'll have -6 plus +2. So when we try and verify this, we expand it, x plus 2 and x minus 6, x squared, x -6x plus 2x, -4x, -4x, and then -6 times 2 would be -12. So therefore your x will be equals to -2, or x equals to 6. So since it says a is a positive constant, therefore we reject x equals to -2, and your answer will be 6. A is equals to 6. Okay, let me Just have to take a short break. Okay, we're reaching the end of the paper. 10a, find the value of... Okay, we've already done this. Determine the nature of the station. This is easy, man, Jeeves. This is why I love differentiation. D squared y dx squared. Let's differentiate this again. So you would get 2 times half, 1, x plus 3 times 1, negative half, minus x. We differentiate that, we get 1. Okay, and then we put the value of a in. So we have 6 plus 3 to the power of negative half minus 1. That gives us 9. Sorry, 1 over root 9 minus 1. Negative 2 over 3. It is less than 0. Therefore, maximum point. We're done with all we have C. Find the equation of the curve. Oh, this is basic, man. I'm wondering, like, how did I do so normally for paper 1 last year? Like, believe me, I don't want to retake the paper, but I just feel like I could have done better. Okay, find the equation of the curve. Find the equation of the curve. So we just need to integrate dy dx. Integration of 2 bracket x plus 3 to the power of half minus x. T with respect to x. From that we will get equals to half plus 1, we have 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2, so we have 4 over 3 bracket x plus 3 over 2, okay, to the power of 3 over 2, and then integrating x, we get x squared over 2, okay, 4 over 3, and then 4 over 3 x plus 3 to the power of 3 over 2 minus x squared over 2 plus c. And then since we know that the curve has a stationary point, the stationary point is this value. We just use this value since it's part of the curve as well to find the y-intercept. So we have 14 is equals to 4 over 3. A is 6 plus 3. 3 over 2 minus 3 squared. Sorry, 6 squared over 2 plus c. C will be equals to 14 minus whatever we get from there. So let's just do 4 over 3. 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. 3 over 2 to the power of 3 over 2 minus 36. 6 squared is 36 over 2. We get 18. So it's 14 minus 18. We get negative 4. Therefore, equation equals to y equals to 4 over 3 x plus 3 3 over 2 minus x squared over 2 minus 4. Next question. Question 11. Solve the equation 3 tan square x minus 5. Oh, this is... I think I should start focusing on my... Okay, I'm just going to do like 4 paper ones, and then I'm going to do the rest of it. I'm just going to do computer science because, yeah, computer science, I'm going to need all the help I can get. But okay, I'm going to do 2023 papers later on just to see like what's... get a good guess of how my paper is going to be. And yeah, I'm just going to do paper 4 after that. So we'll do like all of the paper 2023, 2022 papers. Yeah. 3 tan square x minus 5 tan x minus 2 equals to 0. So let tan x equals to y So we substitute first, and then we have 3y squared is 3y squared minus 5y minus 2 equals to 0. From here we will do bracket 2 1. Oh, we can't do that, so wait, no, we can't. Right, bracket 2 1. So we'll get 6 1. Okay, so it'll be 3y y. So first one negative, second one positive. So 3y plus 1 and y minus 2 to verify. Let's expand it. 3y squared minus 3y times negative 2, negative 6y plus y, because it's 1 times y. So we have negative 5y, and 1 times negative 2, you get negative 2, 0. Okay, y is equals to negative 1 over 3, or y is equals to 2. So let's put it back. Tan x is equals to negative 1 over 3, or tan x is equals to 2. Basic angle will be equals to shift tan negative 1 over 3. You get, sorry, don't put the negative in, degree 18.43, or the basic angle is equals to shift tan 2. You get 63.43. Since the first one is a negative, you use ASTC, and you will not use A and T because it's negative. You use S and C, and for the second one, ASTC as well. Since it's a positive, you will use A and T. So from here, you would do your x will be equals to 180 minus 18.43. You get 161.57, and 360 minus 18.43, which is 341.57, and your x will also be equals to, for the other one, 63.43, and 180 plus 63.43, which is 243.43. Since you cannot have a value more than 180, we will reject 243 and 341. Therefore, x is equals to 161. I think for angles, you will always leave it to 1 dp. So say 161.6, or no, sorry, not or, and 63.4. That's it. Moving on to B. Find the set of values of k for which the equation 3 tan square x minus 5 tan x plus k is equals 0 has no solutions. So there is no solutions. Set of values of k. Let's make let tan x equals to y again. 3y squared minus 5y plus k equals to 0. No solutions, so it's less than 0. So we'll have a, b, c. So we'll have b squared, negative 5 squared minus 4 times a times c. So it's 4 times 3 times k is less than 0. From this, you will get 25 minus 12k less than 0. K is less than 25 over 12. 25 over 12 is 2.08. So you just leave it at 25 over 12. Seems odd though, but yeah, that's basically how you get the answer. For the equation 3 tan square x minus 5 tan x plus k equals 0, state the value of k for which there are 3 solutions in the interval 0 to 0x 180. Okay, 3 solutions. 3 solutions. Ah, 3 solutions. Okay. So I think it means that it will have 2 equal solutions and 1 different solution. So it's more than 0. So again we do 3y squared minus 5y plus k equals 0, but this time we do negative, 25 minus 12k is more than 0. Wait. Actually don't know what the k is here. Okay, k would be more than 25 over 12. So since, for the first one, since we're dividing it by 12, we will need to do more than 25 over 12, and for the second one, we'll do less than 25 over 12. So it can be less than 25 over 12, so the answer, we will actually put 2. Since 25 over 12 is 2.08, so less than 2.08 would give us like 2. So let's try substituting the value of 2 in. 3y squared minus 5y plus 2. So it's plus now, no longer minus. Since the first one was minus, yeah. So it's plus. Do it normally. 2, 1. For now we do 3y and 2, 3 and 1 y, so 3y squared positive, negative, which you get positive, negative 2y minus 3y plus 2 is equals to 0, y is equals to 1, y is equals to 2 over 3. Find these solutions. So we find tan x is equals to 1. So shift tan 1, we get 45, basic angle is 45, ASTC, therefore x is equals to 45, and 180 minus 45 is 135. For the next one, we will do tan x is equals to 2 over 3, so shift tan 2 over 3, we have 33. 0.69. Again, we'll use ASTC, A and T. So first one is 33.69 and oh no, it's 180 plus 45 and 180 minus 33.69. We'll still get two solutions though. 45 and 33.69. Okay, maybe this one, we'll skip that first. 12a. A diameter of a circle C1 has endpoints at -3, -5, and 7. Find an equation of the circle C1. Okay. Endpoints at -3, -5, and 7, 3. So we have to assume that the middle of those two values is it's the diameter. So yeah, it'll pass through. We don't have to assume. It's already the diameter, so it passes through the center. We'll do x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. That will give you, so -3 plus 7, you get 4, so 2. divide by 2, which is 2. Negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2, so you get negative 1 from there. Negative 1. So your equation will be equals to y plus 1 squared plus x minus 2 squared equals to, or have to find the r. So your r would just be half of the length of that line. So root y1 negative 5 minus y2 squared plus x1 minus x2 negative 3 minus 7 squared negative 5 minus 3 negative 3 minus 7. Okay, so square root of negative 5 minus 3 squared plus negative 3 minus 7 squared. Giving you 2 root 41, but since you're finding half of it, you times it by half, so you just get root of 41. Therefore, you would get 41. So your equation will be y plus 1 squared, x plus x minus 2 squared, and you would have equals to root 41 squared, so it's just 41. That's your equation. Okay, for B, find the equation of the circle C2. Oh, I'm so tired. So much papers. It's the exam grind. Circle C1 is translated by 8,4 to give C2. So, same radius, you would translate by 8,4. So you're moving 8 units to the right and 4 units up. So from here you would just get negative 1 plus 4, which is 3. So you'll get y minus 3 squared plus 2 plus 8, 10, x minus, oh yeah, 2 plus 8, so you get 10 minus, so it's minus 10 squared is equals to 41. That's it. It's quite easy. Maybe you need to write it down. 2 plus 8 equals to 10, negative 1 plus 4 equals to 3. Just write it down, I guess. Okay, next one. C 2x plus 13. Okay, so we just find the point of intersection. Okay, I'm gonna do a bit of browsing first. I'm tired. How long? Wait, how long do we have for this paper? 2 hours or 1 hour 15 minutes? The stream has been going on for 1 hour 29 minutes. So I have rested so many times, and I still have so much time for this paper. So yeah, this paper is not really intense. Imagine if I say that and I get most of my answers wrong. That'll be funny. Let's continue. C intersection would be, since they have the same radius, you would just do y minus 3 squared plus x minus 10 squared is equals to y minus, what was my previous equation? Plus 1 squared plus x minus 2 squared. Okay. And then from here you just group them together. Y minus 3 squared minus y plus 1 squared is equals to x minus 2 squared minus x minus 10 squared. From this one, you would take out the squares and you would move them together, so... Oh no, you can't do that. Yeah, you can't do that. Since they're not together, so you can't really do that. So you have to expand it. Yeah, I hate this part. Okay, so y squared minus 6y plus 9 minus y squared y squared minus 2y minus 1 equals to x squared minus 10x. Oh, sorry. X squared minus 4x plus 4 and minus x squared plus 20x minus 100. Okay, from here simplify it, you cancel out the y squares, cancel out the x squares, and you will have negative 6y minus 2y, negative 8y minus plus 8 is equals to 4x plus negative 4x plus 20x, which would be 16x and you have 4 minus 100, so you have negative 96. Moving the 8 over, you have negative 8y is equals to 16x minus 104. And then moving the negative 8 over, you have y is equals to 16 divided by negative 8, you have negative 2. 104 divided by 8, you have 13 plus 13. There, it's shown. Sorry, I forgot to put the x in. Shown. It's just tedious, but it's nothing hard really, it's just tedious. Okay, B, it's 2 marks, so I'm just gonna try and cram it into my one page here. I don't want to use up all my pages too fast. Hence, show that the x coordinates of R and S satisfy the equation 5x squared minus 60x plus 159 5x squared minus 60x plus 159. Arms. X coordinates of R and S. So you have R and S. Show that the x. Wait, I have to answer one text just a bit. Okay, let's focus. Show that the x coordinates of RS satisfy the equation 5x squared minus 60x plus 159. So we know that RS is already this line. So that just means we have to find x. So make into x first. We can always just substitute it in. So let's take the value of one of the curve, y plus 1 squared plus x minus 2 squared equals 41. Just put the equation in. So you would have negative 2x plus 13 plus 1. So you just get plus 14 squared plus x minus 2 squared equals 41. So this is actually 2 marks. This is 2 marks, and I'm doing so much already, so yeah, it's kind of sus. Alright, 4x squared minus, okay, so 2 times 14 is 28. 28 times 2 is 56. So negative 56x. And 14 times 14, you will get 196 plus x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 41. Now we just make this into normal. Let's just make this simplify it. So 4x squared plus x squared, you have 5x squared minus 56x minus 40x, you get minus 60x. 146 plus 4, 150 minus 41, 109 plus 109. Wait, it's 159. What's 14 times 14? What's 196? 196 plus 4 minus 41, 159. Therefore, it is shown. Okay, now we're done with this paper. Finally, now we mark it. Second part, we will mark it. So this is March. Luckily, there's only one paper for March, so I can move on to 2023 without feeling like I didn't finish the year for 2020, because I did finish it. Okay, let's move to number 1. Alright, there's a few messages. Sorry, there's quite a few messages I've gotten. So. Okay, first one, we have to differentiate it first, and we get negative 3x plus 2, negative 2, 3 times 2x, alright, that's 1 mark, hence decreasing function. Easy. Okay. Number 2, stretch in a factor 2 in x direction or y-axis invariant. Okay, so we did say stretch in a factor 2 in x-axis. Okay, and translation or shift 1 unit in y direction. Yeah, that's like 2 marks, bro. It's really easy. You just get 1 mark for just writing it's a translation and another mark for the magnitude and direction. Okay, moving on, number 2, 8 pi. Yep, sometimes you just don't have to think so complicated. Just think simple. 4x is equals to 4/3, that's correct. 5, we get 0 and 83.6, that's correct. For the next one, we have 6, we have a is equals to plus minus 3, alright, that's correct. For b, we have 8, 10, alright. So far, so good, everything's correct. Number 7, now, number 7, this one, for, oh, 7 is just 2.01, so, yeah, I got 2.0, so, allow or better 2.0064, so probably I just rounded off somewhere early on, so yeah, don't round off your question. Number 8A, 2%. Alright. So far so good. Okay, for 8B, this is the bonus one. So we did get 2,000. Oh, we did not get 2,900. Oh, it doesn't count the first year. Yeah, I'm such an idiot. Okay. So yeah, we didn't get it. 2,900. And salary will be 3,000 times 1.03 times to the power of 23. Okay, let me write it down. 3,000 times 1.03 to the power of 23. So it's 4.9%, yeah. Oh my gosh, this is so simple. Okay, 9A. We have negative x plus 3 square and okay. B is x is more than or equals to -5. Alright. 9C, x is equals to -5, correct. D, the largest value of k is -12, and that is my first wrong. So let me see what's -12. Oh yeah, so it's because for what we found just now, we found out that when we put FG, it will be 2 bracket 2x bracket squared. So if it's -12, you would have a negative value inside, so it's -1. Therefore, it can't be -1. Yeah, because it can't be -1 because you already know that the value is below -4 as stated just now. So yeah, it's something you have to follow the. Let's say the range is x is equals to 4, so your largest value cannot be more than 4 because yeah. Okay, next one, 10A. A is equals to 6. That's correct. B, we have substitute the A in, and therefore we get -23. Therefore it's max. Okay. For C, we have C is -4, so our equation will be 4/3 x plus 3, 3 power of 2, power of 3 over 2 minus half x squared over 2, half x squared minus 4. Alright, that's correct. See, I'm on fire, man.